Hello and welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for the 13th of July. Canada increases interest rates a quarter basis points, and they're also doing this within the mortgages as well, up the same variable. It's made the Canadian dollar cross to the US have a very significant move, as it is having yet another situation and leaving this 18 average of highs. And well, the last three times in which it did such, it had significant gains, and we'll make this the fourth on this one. On the monthly chart, this means it is breaking out for the second time on the 18 average of highs. It has been in this sideways consolidation for quite some time, but what I find eerily interesting is how precious metals and the Canadian dollar cross go hand in hand. And on a break above here, that could be very bullish for gold and silver. And gold is spending its second day resisting the 18 average of lows, and the last several days resisting this previous level of support. But this is in the US dollar. Taking a look at gold in the CAD, and it's a much different story in here, as it has been well below the 18 average of highs for quite some time. US dollar is, or US gold is well above its March lows rather. This one's below it. Bitcoin hanging in there, continuing its low volatile sideways movement. Is it leaving this 18 average of lows? If I see momentum going lower, I'll buy a small amount of tether, as it could be further correction, but this thing is in a sideways mode, and when it's ready to go, it'll go. Ask ETC about that. Ethereum Classic had a big move after it was grinding its way lower at the lower end of this support, merely back to the top end of the range. A little bit of a pullback now, but it is still neutral, and you never know when you're going to have a big move just ready to pop on one side or the other. And finally, Ripple. Watch out for this. I don't know where it's going to go, but I realize if it falls from here, it's a resistance test within this 18 average lows, and these lower levels I talk about could hit.